We've all heard about shortages in stores and empty shelves are caused in part by the lack of truck drivers to transport the goods to the stores. But here's an interesting article from the Business Insider that talks about the backstory for this. There isn't a shortage of truck drivers. There's actually been an increase in number of truck drivers, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, of 0.9% in the last 2 years. More truck drivers, but why are there a shortage at the same time? The reason why is that truck drivers do not want to work for the mega carriers, the big trucking transportation companies. And one of the major reasons why they don't want to work for mega carriers is that they're not being paid for wait time while their trucks are being loaded and unloaded. They're not being paid for that. It's really a minimum wage violation because they're sitting around not being paid the minimum wage of 7.25% for hours as their trucks are in line to be loaded and unloaded. So, as a result of minimum wage violations, you have less truck drivers that want to work for free for these mega carriers. Something to think about. Okay, back to work.